Hello Ride On people, first ride of February today, bit of a chilly morning. Don't know if you can see the deer behind me in the back garden there, they're all a bit camouflaged in the woods. Anyway, temperatures should get up to in the low 60s today, so pretty nice for February, can't complain. We're going to a little place called Fires Creek, which is kind of a natural little beauty spot, way up just inside the North Carolina border. So I'm going to meet some of the guys for breakfast. We'll have a ride up there and I'll shoot some video of the place and maybe a little bit of the beautiful roads on the way back. Stay with us and we'll show you how we get on.
What a beautiful day for a hairpin. And here comes one just now. What a beautiful day. First ride in February. I have to say, absolutely loving it. GSA is now covered just over 1,000 miles. Just gets better by the day, basically. Just very sweet. I'm very pleased with it. Very happy. And especially when we're on these kind of roads, because it's just beautiful. This is Fires Creek Road, and we're going to have a look around the beautiful scenic spot down by the water's edge. So I hope a few of my winter rides have encouraged you to get your bike out the shed or the garage or wherever you keep it and dust it down, put your clobber on, go for a ride. Now, fortunate at the moment, my temperature, external temperature gauge is showing 64 Fahrenheit, which is about, I don't know, 12-13 degrees in new money. And you know, you could be saying it's alright for you, it's cold where I live, we've got lovely weather. But when I left this morning, I had the blue ice warning on, indicating 32 degrees or 0, and you know, potential ice conditions, even though it was dry. And so the key thing is you can ride all year round as long as the weather's not too terrible. The key thing is to make sure that you've got the right riding gear. Look at that house down there, wow. We'd love to live there. Get up in the morning, Sunday morning, do a bit of fly fishing, catch some rainbow trout for your lunch. But don't get better, baby. Tusquiti Road, that's what I need next. That sounds pretty Cherokee Indianish, doesn't it? We are Cherokee country, so better look out for the smoke signals. Pretty little hamlet this. Nice little kind of prairie-esque houses. Like that one with the red roof. That's pretty nice deck. So I've got my little plug insert in the electrics now, which I had done at the first service, and it gives you Enduro Pro and it gives you Dynamic Pro, and essentially that's just a little bit more of giving you exactly what you asked for in terms of your throttle response, because if you didn't know, it's not WYSIWYG. You don't actually get the amount of throttle you ask for when you open the throttle. The electronics decide that for you, and these days the nanny PC world that we live in, they don't give you what you request because you can't be trusted with the ultimate power, people. So instead they give you what they think you should have. Dynamic Pro just gives you a little bit more of what you've requested, that's all. So Paul has been far clean a bit more with his 1250 GSA. He's bought himself some Motec SW, I think, risers. They are a fixed riser. They rise the bar about up about an inch and back about 2 inches, I'd say. And they're nicely finished, nicely machined, and a good kind of likeness for OEM parts. It looks like, you know, BMW built the bike that way, and I like the feel of them actually. They feel good. he says it doesn't really make any difference in terms of the amount of counter steer in the twisties, doesn't make it better or worse or anything like that. Standing up seems to be pretty much the same as well, but it's just that little bit more comfortable, a little bit less of a stretch through your arms and shoulders and upper back, as the bars are just that little bit closer to you. It's a nice mod. I'll probably see how he feels about them in a couple of months' time, and might be something that I'd consider. I think Jerry definitely should do it because he's that little bit shorter than I am. Yeah, baby, look at that view. Shortcuts rule. The way this screen flexes, it's a bit bobbins that, isn't it really? I think they could do a little bit better. I hope the next GSA has better mechanism for adjusting the screen, and the screen is that little bit sturdier. They may, dare I say it, have to go to an electric screen. Can an actual drive Tiger on that front? But it adds, you know, more complexity, cost, more weight, and it puts that weight where you don't want it high up, which is not so good. I don't like it. I don't want it. What's wrong with the manual screen? Yeah, I hear you. I'm going to get coffee now. We'll do a Yui here. Love is the sweetest thing. I'm in Blairsville. Blairsville has its own kind of climate. It's just usually colder and wetter than everywhere else, but sometimes it's kind of warmer and sunnier. Like today, early February, 66 degrees. We'll take that. Blairsville, welcome. There's the ambulance and the police.
So Jerry, Paul and I are at Fires Creek. I'm not sure how much you're getting of this, but absolutely stunning, really beautiful place. Set off this morning, it was pretty chilly actually, it's about 32 degrees, so we've got kind of the winter gear on and stuff, but now temperatures are up into the 60s, and it's just stunning, lovely and warm, and it's beautiful sunshine, and there's nobody here, which I mean, in the middle of summer this place is absolutely packed, but you know, because it's February nobody's interested, but you know, it's absolutely stunning, and you should get out on your bike, just wrap up warm, go somewhere scenic and beautiful like this that's usually spoilt by having too many people here in the summertime. If you come on a busy day where you've got traffic and all the rest of it, just get on your bike, ride out, appreciate the beautiful nature. It's right on your doorstep. My life is good sometimes. Keep them peeled, ride often, ride carefully, ride on. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.